How to fix the no internet connection error on Roblox. So you may be having an issue with your Roblox and the internet connection to your own Wi-Fi. So first of all, what you want to do is go to your Roblox and make sure that the app itself is closed out. So just swipe up really softly and then just close it out. The other thing you can do on your phone, and this is specifically for iPhone, but you can go ahead to the top right corner and drag down and go ahead and turn on airplane mode. Leave that on for about maybe 15 to 20 to 25 seconds, and then turn that back off and relaunch the app. It should work. If that doesn't work, you can always go over to your settings. So let's go over there. And then from here, you just want to go to General. And then you want to go to iPhone storage. And let's just go and find Roblox. So I'm just going to type this in. Go ahead there. And what you can do here is offload the app. And go ahead and go choose offload. And that's going to offload all the cache and all that stuff. And then we want to reinstall the app. And don't worry, it's not going to close your account, get rid of your account, or delete it. It's just going to reinstall it. And that way it's not taking up a lot of data. And it really does work about shutting the app down. So that is one thing. If you can't do that, or if it doesn't work still, what you can do is go back to your settings. Let's just X out of here. Go back to our settings. Go back to General. And then what you want to do from here is scroll all the way down until you see where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone. What you can do is hit Reset. And what you're going to do is do a reset network settings. And this is going to reset your own home network, and that might be able to help as well. So if that should do it, that should help. And another option here is just Roblox itself might be down. So what you can do is do a Google search, and we can go and find issues or Roblox is down, and that might be another option to find something that might be specific, maybe more recent, just to see if other users are having the same issue with Roblox. So those are some options. They all work. They should be able to help you out. And I hope the video helps.